Hey guys, G here. No. Hey guys, BRATTALIE here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I have a little hair update. I bought this wig, let's get a date. November 12th, 2022. So actually this is almost a year update. Whoa. I've been saying 6 months this whole video. 6 months. It's a year old. So actually when I bought this wig, I was going to show you guys my install, show you guys how I customized it. And I filmed it. I just didn't end up loving the content. And the thing is with a wig unboxing is they always just look good. So it just was kind of boring to me when I was reviewing the content. I'm like, why am I giving you guys nothing? Like, it's not helpful. So I just wore the wig from November to December. Then January I had my hair braided. February I got my hair texturized and I haven't really touched the wig since. And then in August, September, I've been wearing it. Then when I put it on, I was just like, yo, this wig still slaps. I thought maybe she might be dry, musty, dusty. I thought maybe the lace would look a little crazy. I thought the hair quality might not be giving anymore. I was wrong. So we're gonna talk about this wig and we're just gonna do a quick little install. I'm gonna show you how I installed it today, show you how I put it on, and we're just gonna talk about final thoughts about the wig. It's a really simple video. I just wanted to update you because there's no gatekeeping here. If you could find an everyday wig that fits your lifestyle, why would you not get it? And especially it was affordable. This wig was only $200 for 28 inches. You heard me, $200 for 28 inches. $200 for 28 inches. $200 for 28 inches. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. The only thing I didn't do today is straighten it properly just because it was crimped and it just requires way more straightening than I have time for today. However, the review still stands. I'm still obsessed with this wig and I want you to be obsessed with it too. I don't make any money off that, but again, no gatekeeping here. Thought I'd share. If you want to get into today's wig video, just be sure that you subscribe to me before you do. So scroll down, smash that subscribe button, join the BRATTALIE gang, 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 and let's get into today's video. Hi guys, welcome. Let me start with wig. All right, so this is Miss Wig. I don't remember the specs, but I'll put them in the description box down below. She's looking a little frizzy because I had crimped her about a week ago and I haven't really touched her since, but this is basically the mid-year check-in for this wig. This is what the lace is looking like. I was originally supposed to post a video on it, but I just didn't love the footage, the content, and I just never ended up posting it. So here we are now, 6 months in. And when I put it on last week, I was like, this wig is in really good condition, especially as a glueless wig. So I thought, why not show you guys how something is holding up after it's been a minute. Like, a wig will always be good fresh out, you know what I mean? So unboxings are cute because a wig will always be good fresh out. But what about overtime? And there was a moment where I was wearing her to work for like a couple weeks, like maybe even a month. And then I had braids. I'm thinking of the winter time when I ordered this. I had braids, and then the month after that I texturized my hair, and she hasn't seen me since because I've been ginger this year. So I'm due for a new texturize, so my roots have been crazy. And I was like, you know what, let's bring her back. I cut bangs into her last week as well because I'm doing a JT recreation, so that will be posted on my channel soon. Like, I'm gonna film the rest of it today. I just honestly started last week and I just didn't have the energy. So let's get into it. This is how everything is looking. Let's see if I can get a good clean shot. I did get some of the hairs a bit lighter, but I just fixed that with mascara. So I'll show you guys how I install this. It comes with an elastic band. I took the clips out because they drop, like the elastic band hooks get caught on my hair enough. I don't need anything else getting caught on my hair because I'm someone who, once a wig is on my head, I tend to not sleep in it, but yeah, sleep in it. So here we go. So I just need it to, if it shifts, not get stuck in my hair because that's annoying as hell. So I'm just bringing my wig cap down. Last week when I installed this wig, I did it the same way and I had the wig on for a couple days. How I tinted the lace was a bit of foundation and I think alcohol. Like, I have a spray that I made a while ago and I just put it in this old toner old toner bottle and I sprayed it, and I haven't really had to tint it again since. But you know what? Since we're doing an install video, let's just do that before we install. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty much done a good job of keeping the color. there anything in there? Is there foundation in here? What? Maybe this is toner. Wait, am I okay? I for sure made tint. This just smells like toner though. It's for sure toner. Where the hell is the tint? I know what bottle it's in. I don't know if I kept that bottle. Damn. Might have thrown it away. Thinking it wasn't what it was. Oh my god. You guys have no idea how distraught I am. And now I remember what bottle it's in. I don't think I kept that bottle. Oh my god, I found it. I was so stressed just now because I'm like, why would I throw it away? But I just put it away. It's in a setting spray bottle and that holds up to something that's been mixed. Yeah, that looks more like something that has something in there. See? So this is what the wig looks like with no glue. It's a pretty good lace, and I remember this wig being affordable, like I think around $200, maybe less. And it wasn't a wig that I wanted to do a lot with because I feel like lately every time I color a wig, it's just, not that it's not giving, but I feel like hair quality is suffering right now. Lace quality is the thing. Like there's a lot of different like tiers when it comes to wigs, and I just feel like I'm not getting the best of it when it comes to human hair wigs. Because of that, I wasn't really interested, and if you've noticed on my channel, I haven't really been interested in coloring wigs just because it's not worth it to me to color a wig. I can get the most beautiful color if the hair quality is trash, and then I can't wear the wig because the hair quality is trash. So this is what we're looking like, glueless. Absolutely love this wig. This wig was my, like literally in the month of December, January, I was just throwing this on, taking it off at night, throwing it on, taking it off at night. Last week, I just wanted to go out in it. And because of that, I wanted to secure it and glue it down. So again, let's get in there. That's what it's looking like. I'm fine with this as a glueless option. I don't care if you can see a little bit of lace. That has nothing to do with me. That has not a damn thing to do with me. So I secure it with the Wonder Lace Bond spray. All the rumors about it are true. I've done a review on it before, and I don't use a blow dryer. That was my major hack of last week, was I didn't use a blow dryer. I was actually being silly with my sister, and I was like running through the apartment and being like, I just needed to get tacky and dry. So I'm not gonna do that on camera. I'm gonna use something to fan it, but I think that there is a sweet spot of where it gets tacky and it does the most seamless melt. So I'll show you. And I just sprayed it along my wig cap. Like, and I make sure to pull my wig cap down. Like, I don't want you seeing a single nothing. Like, no hair, no nothing. So that's my first coat. I don't really care about this one. Second coat, and I like to drag my finger along it just to help it stay where it's supposed to stay. Just a quick fan. And hair quality, when this was straight, it actually is a really good quality hair. Like, I'm talking about movement wise. That's always what I'm gonna base it off of. Like, hair will get frizzy. I feel like it's inevitable. I don't have Color Wow's Dream Coat. If I test that, I'm gonna test it on this wig because I feel like with that, this hair would be unstoppable. A good press, this hair would be unstoppable. Like with a good straight. I'm thinking if I bring this wig to my like hairstylist and get it pressed, she'd be so bone straight and so good. But using even what I have, she looks really, really good. I just naturally tend to crimp or curl wigs just because I feel like with my lifestyle, they just tend to hold up and look better over time. Like straight, it's raining. Like it's literally, I'm looking outside, it's gray. And I'm like, it just doesn't make sense. If I lived somewhere that was not as rainy, maybe not as humid, I would say, yeah, for sure, I'd straighten it. But there's no point. And I feel like it's a little bit more unclockable when it has a texture. So I don't know if you can see, but it is a little thick right now. And that's what we're looking for, is you're looking for it not to look like just like a thin layer of spray. You want it to basically look like you have a layer of glue. And if you've ever glued down a wig, you know what that looks like. If you don't know what that looks like, watch a YouTube video. I'm just gonna fan it. But yeah, it should have some like dimension. You see what I mean? I don't really care where this side goes because it is a closure wig. I just tend to do the whole front of my head so that wherever it lands is secure. Now, I push this down. I like to push it into the spray and then kind of like slide it back and let it sit. Then I'm gonna grab my comb because I can already see hairs falling into the spray. I want the lace to be flat and the hair to be back. Okay, so like here we have a little bubble of lace. That's not cool. I'm gonna also spray on top. Like, it's a little psychopathic, but trust me, she's gonna be down for a couple days. And this is perfect for my upcoming weekend because I'm going to see my family and they like hate my ginger hair. So it's like, now everyone can shut up. Like, I don't want to hear anything from anybody all weekend. I'm not really concerned about the sides because this does have a bang, but even when it's middle part, you can't see. Like, you literally can just see this. It looks so good. This is amazing. And we still aren't even done yet. We're still gonna add concealer and we're still gonna melt it. I just like, before I put my elastic band down, for the spray to be dry, or else your elastic band will stick to your skin, stick to your lace when you're taking it off, potentially peel it. And then I just have elastic band that I got on Amazon. Actually, this is a notice to me. I'm gonna put everything that I used today in my Amazon storefront, just so that we're on the same page. It makes life a bit easier. And I don't use my Amazon storefront as much as I should. Oh my gosh. So elastic band never fails to be tight. Like, and then I just do a quick comb to see if I can get any excess hairs that might be trapped underneath the elastic band. One thing about this wig is it does shed. Not a lot, but it does shed. Like, I've had wigs shed worse, but this is obviously also a tail comb, so it will pull something out. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna do final touches. Hold on, let's take this wig band off. Oh, see, this is exactly what I was trying to avoid. And it still was wet. This hair. Look how crazy, you guys. Oh my God, let me go clean this up. Box side. That is insane looking. I just was doing my makeup around the band. I'm like, girl, you're going to have to do something about that. You know that, right? I definitely have to include a scream at that reveal, because what? So I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I took off the band. Yeah. And because of that, I am going to just do my little part here. I'm just looking for my concealer brush. As I put powder down, I don't want it to get muddy. I want it to be bright. See that? This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC50. I always keep this on me. This was one of my first concealers I ever used getting into makeup. And I used to use it for my under eye because it's really creamy and it's bright and it's really pretty. Now I use it for my lace because it's so thick, it goes right into the grids and makes it look like scalp. Scary, right? If you put too much of this, see how it looks so bright? I like to like play with this and like blend it in different ways. Obviously, again, we're gonna have bangs, so it's not that big a deal. But do I still like it to have an element of being super natural? Yeah, I'm gonna try and make it the most natural I can. Let my forehead look so massive. It's insane. Insane. But yeah, just had to show you that little bit, right? I don't care because makeup does dry down and oxidize, so I usually like leave it like this and let it do its thing, let it cook. And honestly, on some days I leave it just like this. But if I'm wearing it, say in the middle part, it should never be this high in my head. I try to bring it a little bit further down because this is insane. But look how good that looks. Yeah, it's giving scalp. It's giving what lace. The problem with bangs is that after you've cut them and so like your wig is back to normal, you don't quite know where they are. So that being said, I'm gonna try my best. I always, when I do bangs, I don't do too much because I just don't believe in it. Like a super thick bang is never the vibe, ever, ever, ever. So because of that, my bangs tend to be really concentrated at the front of the unit, just because I just don't believe it's cute any other way. And if you need extra hair, you can get extra hair. Once your bang is too thick and you've cut, like there's no saving it, I find. Look, yo, were you scared? I know you were scared. You were like, girl, why are your bangs looking like that? Because I haven't washed this wig, There's like product in here, there's hairspray in here, and it will just, you know, do its thing. I'm just gonna give this hair a quick press because this is giving Nicki Minaj Young Money. And then we're gonna come back with some closing remarks and final thoughts. I almost forgot to close up this video about the wig. So the camera's off, I'm so sorry. But I straightened it, I straightened the bang. Let's talk about this wig. I didn't straighten it well because I have places to be and things to do tonight, but I'll post some pictures of it right now. Really well straightened and really well crimped so you guys can get a vibe, because trust me, it actually is really good. It's really good quality, but the wig just needs a wash and like a serious straighten. But I don't have time for it today. It has still movement, still body, it still looks good, it still has shine. The only thing I put on it was BioSilk. It's cute. I need to wrap this in order for this to stay flat, but again, I'm running out of time, so it's not for today. Today we're just here to give you a little update on the wig. Again, 6 months and I've been wearing it, not every day, but I wore it for like a month straight, and this month I wore it again for like I slept in it like last week. That's what I'm saying, it needs a wash, it needs a lot of things, but it's still giving, it's still looking really good. It still has good movement, it still has good density. That is literally my tea on this hair. Where is the price? Let me go see how much it was. It was $197 Canadian for 28 inches. And when I got it, I remember measuring it and it was 28 inches. Because we know, especially with things that are purchased on Ali, that like sometimes, like look at this, it's literally my lower back. Oh, and my panty thing was out, that's why. This is 28 inches. I literally got my measuring tape and measured it because I was like, yo, I need to make sure this is 20 inches for $200. And it is. Look at this, the movement, the shine. She really just needs a good press, I'm telling you guys. And what I liked about them was the seller was actually very, very active. So at first I had ordered, I think 24 or something. I just ordered a size I didn't want. So I DM'd them and I was like, can I pay the difference for a longer unit, or can I just cancel this order and get a different one? And they let me pay the difference, which is really nice. The hair store is now YAWAWE hair store. I don't think they're called ISEE hair anymore. I'll link it down below just so you can get exactly what unit I'm talking about. I don't say it gets wet well, but if I sweat, it looks good. When I wash it, there's no problem. Like I said, just a minimal shedding, but chef's kiss on this unit. So I don't think I have anything else to say. I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I'm gonna call it a day on that. If you like this video or found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I talked about today. Anything at all, leave that in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. Scroll down, smash that subscribe button, join the BRATTALIE gang, 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 gang. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!